Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV worldwide. Breaking heavy protest against Tunibu at Chatham House, UK. Now, this particular news, they let us learn more about Bola Ahmed Tinubu and things when they happen around him. Presidential candidate of the All Progressive Congress. Remember, say, since 1960, the oligarchs, they don't hijack Nigeria. Believing, say, Nigeria, not their country. Very few people, ladies and gentlemen, and them be these particular oligarchs, when we say, not them think say Nigeria, not their own. Tunibu they among them. Buhari they among them. Babangida them. Then you talk about Obasanjo them. You talk about all these people. Then fees say Nigeria belongs to them. Like I said before, since 1960, these men, they don't hijack Nigeria. Not come and come the thing say, these so-called oligarchs, when we say, and then be the politicians, when we they always talk about in APC and PDP, not come out one day they think say these people then go do something like free and fair election. Or maybe one day then go come out, allow Nigerian people to take over the power from them. Because these people, they don't firmly grip Nigeria. Even put Nigeria into abject poverty. So for una when one vote Bola Ahmed Tinubu, now when the thing say Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he get some maybe something when he get for una. It don't show all of una see he not get anything for una. The proof they here today when we want talk about say Bola Tinubu don't get any common idea of anything when in they do. Okay? So make una prepare for the funeral of Nigeria if Bola Tinubu finally take over the mantle of leadership in that country. Now him be say all of us don't join hands together, bury Nigeria. Bata bata. Okay, make we take a look. And also this London when Bola Ahmed Tinubu travel go do this thing when he go do today. Go make some speech there when he come meet heavy protest. But make we first of all finish up with what we talk about this Bola Tinubu and the oligarchs. The oligarchs when they Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen, don't try these people. It will only take Nigerian people to gather themselves together now or rather than later. Because like I said before, if we eventually allow Bola Tinubu, APC people rig this man put for power, Nigeria is in trouble. Even Bola Tinubu cannot be able to explain to Nigerian people within the manifesto or within the inside his manifesto. So these people, they will not leave Nigerian people alone unless Nigerian people make up their mind before this 2023. Like I said, otherwise Nigeria is done forever. Bola Tinubu just believes say 9 turn to become president of Nigeria or in turn to lead the country. I never know how somebody will just come and begin to say 9 turn. What about the Igbo presidency? So now so oligarchs then they think. Because if you see nothing else, not only them. So make we prove to ourselves the very good example. When go enlighten us more about this Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Say Bola Ahmed Tinubu na zero. And these things will happen in Chatham, London. Now him make Bola Tinubu they dodge the medias and he make Bola Tinubu they dodge questions when he suppose answer. The reason we see Bola Tinubu not get any answer for anything because that one don't know anything. It's an old man, very, very old man. I wonder the kind APC people, when they go gather together, they celebrate Bola Ahmed Tinubu too. In order to confuse Nigerian people, see, it gets some people when they support Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They go just gather because you know, see, when they there, all of them are APC. Nobody go through question, give Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The only thing when you get hear there, na Jagaban, na you we want. Because those people when they there, all of them from A to Z, na APC people. So make we take a look on what happen. Please don't forget to subscribe to Funky the Star TV. Thank you. Now, the protests say Rhino Omukri, when be a former errand boy to good Lord Jonathan. Now, him they organize this particular protest when meet Bola Ahmed Tinubu surprisingly in London. During the time when Bola Tinubu they do speech. So the reason why when these people, Rhino Omukri and his group, then they do this protest now because Bola Tinubu, according to the news, ladies and gentlemen, na drug dealer and na money launderer. And Rhino Omukri don't come and claim say he don't fully document everything when concern Bola Ahmed Tinubu regarding these criminal acts when then they accuse Bola Ahmed Tinubu for. Now, Rhino na PDP man, Bola Tinubu na APC. Though we know see na PDP na born APC. Alright, so Rhino Omukri they work for Atiku Abubakar. I now understand how somebody like Rhino Omukri go to show face in public to represent someone like Atiku Abubakar. I'm so surprised. And Rhino Omukri carried these people go London, go the chance Bola Tinubu na criminal, Bola Tinubu na this, Bola Tinubu na that. At the end of the day, they were able to succeed, but they can later meet counter protests. Another group, whether they pay those people from Kidi worldwide, cannot confirm that. But those people can counter attack Rhino Omukri team in the same arena, ladies and gentlemen. So remember, see, before we don't see different kinds of protests against the power that be in Nigeria. They don't do some for Buhari, they don't do some for so many of them. And now, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But those protests when they do, I mean the past protests when they do, before this one now, when concern Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we not constantly see any results of all those particular protests. So I want to know the results when Rhino Omukri, we never see any protest when he had any result in Nigeria. Besides, Rhino Omukri is not doing the right thing because his team, when the PDP people, they are also very, very corrupt. Atiku Abubakar till today, that one they dodge questions from the medias. That one they dodge debate. When then they invite them come. Just the same thing when Bola Ahmed Tinubu they do. So when that Rhino Omukri thing say in the fight, because many people don't tell Atiku Abubakar say, man, you know they go anywhere. Or Igbo don't tell and say now waiting in do in the time of Jonathan. Now him in one rip now. They won't pay him with a coin when he paid them before during good Lord Jonathan time. And they don't already tell and say making no wasting time. Make it just the plan for 2027 general election. Make him forget about 2023 2023. Now the Ohanese in Igbo, now then they send all these messages to the presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party, will be Atiku Abubakar. So Rhino Omokore and his group, their hand not clean at all, won't be PDP people. APC people, the same thing. So why Rhino Omokore, they carry a placard and different kind of thing, they go disgrace himself. Abi, you know, they see his public records, all their public records, PDP public records, Atiku public records, all of them. Now, Dogara don't go to support Atiku Abubakar. So because of that, Dogara and Wiki now, they don't fight their fight. So ladies and gentlemen, make we go see. I mean, the major thing when they make Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they run away from the medias, from debate, from questioning and answer. We want to know the reason why right now. Make we dive into the matter. All these things happen in the same place in London when Bola Tinubu tried to go deceive people. But the thing not come work out. Everything come blow up on top APC people and their presidential candidate when be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, aka Jagaban, the former Lagos State governor, on top their face. In fact, people when they in the arena when Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they make this comment and things won't happen like comedy. All the time, these people like to act comedy. All of them bust laugh and they were shocked about Bola Ahmed Tinubu's action during the time when they threw question to the acclaimed presidential candidate of APC when not get anything upstairs. The headline of this matter when one going to says knocks as Bola Tinubu assign Arufai Ayode to answer questions at as Chatham House, London. So the man now, when be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, according to the headlines, in they allocate the personal question when they throw on top him, go give people when follow and come. That is his whether na his councils are being APC members them bill, and some of them are governors. And then Bola Ahmed Tinubu can allocate the question when they throw give them. Come give them to them, those men when sit down. We'll see how that thing take happen. Make we see the reason why Bola Ahmed Tinubu they run for questions in Nigeria. And he still get question to answer. And APC thinks say these techniques when Bola Ahmed Tinubu they take dodge, see na him be the best techniques so that they no go woo Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Maybe in conference hall or maybe in a town hall meeting. News they tell us say the All Progressive Congress APC presidential candidate Bola Ahmed Tinubu say he don't spark a lot of misreaction after he don't assign members of his team to answer some of the questions when they inside that particular meeting or conference they ask her. Okay. Now, after the man don't deliver his speech, the news they tell us say Tunibu, say people ask him question. That is the audience can ask Tunibu some question when regard security, economic, and foreign policy matter. In response to the questions, the APC flag bearer unsurprisingly picked former Lagos State Commissioner for Information, Dele Aleke, Kaduna State Governor Nasser Arafai, and Cross River State Governor Ben Ayode to answer the questions when then through given. Okay? Tunibu action can spark mixed reaction from many Nigerian people. Why some of his supporters they claim say him they do his team work, and that teamwork na inclusiveness in their party. Then other people can claim say wetin the man do they very very wrong when he take the delegate questions when they throw at him to other members of the party. So now una get to tell us what una think inside this matter. But waiting for Nkidi they think here, we see this thing won't really happen when questions when they send give, I mean they send and go give his people. Nasarofai, Ayodele, all of them. This one shows to me say now this particular occurrence na him make Bola Tunibu they dodge media house or they dodge to answer questions or to the dodge to the come debates. He cannot answer anything. Security matter is not there. Economic matter is not there. Foreign policy matter, Bola Tunibu, ladies and gentlemen, the man not there. So which one can they? When him be say if he dey inside Asorok, remember things when we done analyze months back about his VP. When the news don't tell us waiting the Northerners don't plan. And the Northerners from Kiri say in not sure see then go release this power, give anybody again in that country. See the young Northern man when them attach with Bola Tunibu when they run with him. So those cabals when they for Asorok there, when they the northern part of Nigeria, they know what that they do. And now him make sometimes I'd always the talk say people when they campaign, like all these presidential candidates, honestly, I'm not sure see anything will reach on my hand because APC people, they don't stand up Bola Tunibu. They don't stand up Bola Tunibu. All of them, whether good or bad, they don't feel saying that Bola Tunibu, they must put there. And him must be there. Like I used to say, everything they their hand. Cash, they their hand. Weapons, they their hands. Securities, they their hand. Terrorists, they their hands. Everything, kidnappers, they their hands, ladies and gentlemen. So when then they rig in a mafia way, in a big way. Now they rig waiting the one rig put on top on our head this time around. When no one come out from shame when on the inside since 1960 they come. When believe say na APC and PDP, na them be the final. No, they'll not be final. They are using you. They'll not be anything. Then they use your head. They're using you. They are deceiving you. So, Bola Tunibu don't assign questions what they give through give them. Now we don't see the reason why when the FIDE confess even Atiku Abubakar cannot face. Not to talk of Peter Obi or Moili Showale. So these are the reason why. They no say the man no fit tell you anything. The only reason when they go there, now the oligarchs, that is his bosses, and them they put them there. And they not get any answer to give you as a Nigerian person. If na normal person when believe in one Nigeria, when believe in waiting you when go for time believe, You can't tell you the ideas when he get things when one can do for you. What they go there for? He can't tell you his name and things like that. Introduce himself to Nigerian people. Market his personality, market his ideas, market his party, market his presidency. But no, it's not going there for you. That is why you don't have your time. So, ladies and gentlemen, when I don't hear Omukri, we don't tell you, please stop disgracing Nigerian people. Stop disgracing good Nigerian people. Because APC and PDP, then be papa and son. Nothing when you won't tell us about Atiku Abubakar. The same way, nothing when you won't tell us about Bola Tunibu. We don't know. But Bola don't prove to us the reason why he no go come debate. So now so hide Bola Tunibu go they hide until the election day when they go tell you say he get 200 million votes. And that time you go understand where you enter. I don't tell you now. Bola Tinubu presidency meaning Nigeria funeral. Now you say I don't prepare Nigerian funeral if Bola Tinubu enter as one Nigerian president. One love everybody. And bye.